Welcome to this Fixit channel, and just a quick update here. We have learned that a lot of companies actually lie on the updates that are security updates on Android phones, smartphones, and tablets. And of course, this is important because it means that some of you are walking around with phones that have security flaws. And if you do, well, if you actually log into public Wi-Fi, and all sorts of unknown networks, you are at risk if your security updates are not there. So how can you know? Well, first of all, who are the bad guys? Apparently, LG, ZTE, and TLC are both, or all three, kind of a little in the lie about the security updates sector. But if you want to make sure, there's this app that's right here. It's called Snoop Snitch, and it's by Security Research Labs. I've installed it on my phone, a Galaxy S7, and it tells you exactly what's up to date or not. So you have this security bar, and the more it's green, the better it is. So it will tell you if your security updates are there or not. Snoop Snitch is available in the Google Play Store. For those that wonder if they're what companies are good at the updates, well, it seems that Google, of course, if you've got the Pixel phones, they're always up to date. Sony is good, and Samsung is also pretty good. So if you have these three brands, you might not have to worry too much. But why not install Snoop Snitch and check out if your updates are there on Android. So this is a nice little app that will let you know if you're okay or not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.